Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into turnout. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Congregation, which means a gathering or collection of people, animals, or things. Congregation. For example, large congregations of birds may cause public harm. Number 2. Attendance, which means the number of people present at a particular place or event. Attendance. For example, their gig attendances grew at an alarming rate. Number 3. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, the Council of Nicaea was the largest assembly of bishops hitherto. Number 4. Audience, which means the assembled spectators or listeners at a public event such as a play, film, concert, or meeting. Audience. For example, he asked for questions from members of the audience. Number 5. Gathering, which means an assembly or meeting, especially one held for a specific purpose. Gathering. For example, a family gathering. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.